This was supposed to be a happy unboxing, started off with a positive note but ended up with a bit of a frustration. I'm going to talk about some of the things that I did not like right away and also talk about some of the good things. So guys, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and also like this video. Let's begin. Pairing it the first time didn't work for some reason, but after that I was able to register myself and also get into the app. But that is where it all started. Just after a while, after setting up, I wasn't able to basically enable or disable any feature. As you can see, it throws up this message saying that the band is basically syncing the data, but in reality there is nothing really happening, and this went on for about 10-15 minutes. So that is the frustration that I was talking about. And you basically cannot reboot the band because there is no such option in the band. That's just genius. I rebooted the phone and this still went on, but somehow magically after a while things started working. Also, I noticed that when you try to reconnect the band, it kind of struggles to connect again. So this is maybe some type of connection issue going on. So let's hope that they fix this. And honestly, I didn't like this app. I mean, look at this Realme store. What is it really doing here, guys? This is just cheap marketing, I would say. I hope that they get rid of this and just provide a very simple basic UI. Another thing is, I was trying to shoot the band outdoors in the shadows. Normally this is something that I do for clarity's sake, and I found that it was so dim that you can see, for comparison, this is another very budget oriented fitness watch that has a very average display, but you can see how dim the display is. This is at full brightness, guys. So if you take it out under direct sunlight, this is almost invisible. I mean, this is probably the worst that I've seen in terms of the sunlight visibility. The UI looks to be decent and fluid, but guys, there is no basic settings to do, like changing the watch faces or even brightness. I mean, brightness is like a fundamental right on a band. I mean, I don't know what Realme was thinking. Anyway, moving on, you have some watch faces, about 5 watch faces, and they are decent, and I'm pretty sure that they are going to add new watch faces. So let's hope for that. It also supports landscape mode, but guys, can anyone please tell me what is the use case? I mean, I would love to know that. Alright, now let's talk about some of the good things. I really like this raise to wake feature. I mean, it works fairly well, as you can see, so that's good. Also, the band does not come with a charger. You only get a manual and also the band itself in the box. That's because you can detach the band and plug it into a USB power source. This reminded me of some Lenovo band around 2 years ago. Now, talking about the overall build and the strap material, it is pretty decent and I don't really have much to complain. And this was just a quick look at the Realme band, and I'll definitely try and share more details about its health tracking capabilities, notifications and all that important stuff, maybe with some comparison videos. So guys, like this video, also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.